Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at a 2020 Lexus ES 350 Luxury, featured here in atomic silver exterior with a gray leather interior. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis with a sticker price of $58,860. For additional information or a test drive, contact Trey. His information is listed below. There we see the dual exhaust. We see the LED backup or LED taillights. We also see the ES 350 badging. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, we see the power folding, power heated side mirrors, the 18-inch 5-spoke, split spoke, noise reduction alloy wheels with all-season tires. We also see the bi-LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights. As we dive into the interior, there's a look of the gray leather interior. It's got great stitching. We'll show that more in the front here in a moment. As we look from the back seat to the front, and we get a great look of the panoramic moonroof. As we slide out the back and into the front, we can see the leather-wrapped steering wheel with the fingertip controls. It is a heated steering wheel. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. We get a great look at the center stack, all of its controls, and we back out and we see the power passenger seat. In the rear compartment, we have additional power ports for the rear occupants, both USB as well as 12 volt, and a great door-to-door dash shot. Really shows that dash and all the technology really, really nicely. And we'll show the functionality of the panoramic moonroof here in a moment. As we dive into the front there, we see the power driver's seat. It is a 14-way power driver's seat, and the passenger is a 10-way power driver's seat, passenger seat. There's the additional stitching I was mentioning earlier. Another great look at the center stack. Push button start, stop, electronic parking brake, fingertip controls, paddle shifters, power tilt and telescoping, as well as a memory for the driver for the power tilt and telescope. Here is the power sunshade. It's a one-touch open and close. Very, very impressive power moonroof. The power windows are a one-touch up and down. There's the memory controls for the driver's seat. The steering wheel controls, as well again as the paddle shifters we mentioned earlier. We have a 10-inch heads-up display. Lexus Multimedia system with an 8-inch color display seen here. Apple CarPlay navigation. It's a Mark Levinson audio package with the PurePlay 17 speakers. And here we see the heated seats as well as the vented front seats and the heated steering wheel. As I was mentioning, it does have the Mark Levinson navigation as well as the audio package, PurePlay 17 speakers, 1800 watt premium sound. There's the navigation. With the backup camera. Additional power ports for the driver and the passenger. There we have the wireless charger as well as the center console. We have blind spot monitor, cross traffic alert. Here we see the glove box with the booklets, intuitive park assist. Here we're punching through the drive modes. We have economy, normal, and sport. Again, I think I mentioned the blind spot monitoring with cross traffic, intuitive parking assist. As far as storage is concerned, we have 16.7 cubic feet. We also have all-weather floor mats as seen here, hands-free power open and close trunk with illuminated trunk sill. There's the illuminated trunk sill. Looks really nice at night. A little pass-through from the back seat in case you have a cooler with some cool drinks. Easy access. As far as an engine, it's a 3.5 liter and it produces 302 horsepower. It's made it with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is front-wheel drive and it gives you 22 city and 32 highway. There's the forward-facing camera again.